So, this week in kindergarten, our theme is bedtime or nighttime stories. So, on Friday for show and tell, you need to send in your favorite bedtime story that you read together. Now, I'm going to do an example of how we should be doing show and tell. Mom and dad, or whoever in your family, need to help you think of 3 clues to tell about your book. So, I have 3 clues about my bedtime story. This is a story about a little bear wearing green overalls. First clue. Second clue. The title of this story starts with this sound. K, k, k. And my third clue is the setting of this story is a department store. Do you know what my favorite bedtime story is? If you said corduroy, then you are right. So on Friday, make sure to bring your favorite bedtime story with 3 clues that tell about your book. Also this week, we have our fall party on Wednesday. It is at 2:30 and parents are welcome to join us. On Wednesday, we are also wearing pajamas, not costumes, but pajamas to school. And on Thursday, we have earned an all school hat day by earning lots of Eagle tickets. So, Wednesday, pajama day for the party. The party's at 2:30. Thursday is hat day for an Eagle ticket celebration. And Friday is bring your favorite bedtime story for show and tell. For language arts this week, we have a new sight word. It's this word. Anybody know what it is? Yeah, you're right. That's the sight word, come. So when you're reading at home this week, see if you can find this word in any of your stories. Our big book for the week is called Down on the Farm. And it's a really fun book. I'm going to upload the video of it for you so you can watch it at home if you want to. This week, we're also talking about finding the beginning, middle, and end of a story. So try that at home too with your bedtime story. Can you tell mom and dad the beginning, middle, and end of your book? We're also going to be talking about the short vowel I, which says it. And we're going to be reading lots of different words that have the short I vowel sound in the middle. And last but not least, we are going to be listening to 3 sounds and see if we can push them together to make a word. So if I said p, I, g, could you put it together to make the word pig? Or the other way around, if I told you the word pig, could you pull apart all 3 sounds and tell me that the sounds you hear are p, I, and g? Try practicing that at home with your family this week. This week in math, we are going to start talking about teen numbers. So that means we are going to be looking at some teen numbers. Can you tell me what number that is? It starts with the 1 and it has a 4. You're right. That's the number 14. So we're going to be practicing identifying our teen numbers. We're going to be practicing putting them in order. And we're also going to be practicing creating teen numbers as a group of 10 and then some extra ones. So we're going to start talking about 14 as a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. That is the number 14. I have a fun song for this that I will post for you this week. We are also going to start working on identifying some bigger numbers from 1 to 100. So I'm wondering if you could tell me what this number is. We're going to talk about starting in the tens place. Yep, that means it's in the 70s, 76. So if you are looking for something to do at home this week, start trying to identify some bigger numbers. We're also going to be talking about how to count on from a number without starting at 1. So if I want to know the next number after 35, what would you say? Yeah, the number after 35 is 36. Could you tell me the next number after 49? It's a tough one. The ones with nines are tough because you're switching to the next decade number. The number after 49 is 50. So those are some things you could be practicing at home this week. Okay, one last thing. Our social lessons for this week are going to be talking about what you should do if you do something by accident. So if you have accidentally knocked someone down like it looks like has happened in this picture, what should you do next? It was an accident, after all. We're going to be talking about what you should say if there has been an accident. Like, I'm sorry, it was an accident. Are you okay? And then we're going to talk about moving on after an accident. So, have a great week. Hope you practice some of these things at home. Bye!